If you're looking for a great deal on a nice little Mercedes convertible, check this one out. 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. A white in color, as you can see, blue interior. 560 SL is obviously a 5.6 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, nicely equipped cars. Basically a luxurious convertible, little sporty luxury car. This particular one does have a stamp title. It does have a salvage title. The price is going to reflect that. That's when I say if you're looking for an inexpensive little convertible. Obviously these things, clear titles anywhere from the 20 to 30 range. This car here is listed at $9,900 and it drives out nice. Previous owner owned this car for 8 years, has taken good care of it. There's a service history on it that I'll go through that was recently done within the last 1,000 miles, year or so ago. So like I said, if you're looking for an inexpensive, nice looking Mercedes convertible, here you go. Body's in nice shape, paint has a nice luster to it, interior is in good shape, car runs out nice. He actually drove it here. We're representing it for him, and he'd like to clean out a spot that he's losing the storage on due to a family member getting rid of it. So he brought us a couple cars. We're selling both of them for him. Basically lost his storage area. Otherwise, he said he'd hung on to this one because it does drive out so nice and he really enjoys driving in the summers. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, see how clean this car is. Underside, trunk, engine bay. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Also, feel free to give us a call. We'll sure discuss the car with you, maybe talk transportation to where you're located at. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. This particular car does come with the hardtop also, so it does have a removable hardtop with it. There is a soft top underneath the enclosure back here that does fold up manually. Works great. I have pictures of that also at the Unique Classic Cars website. Top's in nice shape, blue in color to match the interior. Really everything about this car is pretty nice. As you can see, the paint's not all nicked up. It's not showing any signs of rust. Let me go through a few of the things as far as the service that was done to this car. Car has a little over 91,000 miles in it. A little over 90,000 miles is when these things were done. I had new plugs and wires, distributor cap, rotors, breather hoses. So basically a lot done with the ignition system. Ignition spark, should say. So it does run out nicely. Also had some suspension things done to it. Idler arm up front, center link, tie rod assemblies, also fuel pump. About $2,000 worth of work was done to this. We're going to go ahead and start it up so you can hear it run. I'll pop the hood so you can see what it looks like underneath there, and go ahead and fire this up here a second. Check out the interior. There you can see the miles on it, a little over 91,688. Here it runs smooth, fires right up. See the carpeting, dash, everything in nice shape on it. Like I said, $9,900 is what he's looking at getting out of it. I did have the ABS light on. He said the brakes work fine, so basically it's driving an old school car with no ABS. Brake worked fine. He drove over here. Just want you to be aware of that. Represent it for what it is. Again, reflective in the price. As you can see, the seat, the leather, everything's very nice shape. Here how nicely it runs. Again, I did mention that price at $9,900. It does have a clear title, but it is a stamp title in Minnesota salvage. So man, you can buy it for less than half of what this would go for with a clear title and that kind of miles. Go ahead and check the comparables out there. I did a little digging myself. Once again, feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. We can sure discuss that with you. I'm going to go ahead and pop that hood. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this recording a little bit so it'll be easier, and I'll be right back after I pop that hood open. All right, there you go. Got the hood popped. Just wanted to show you how clean this engine bay is. And here how smooth that 5.6 runs. And remember, this car is 30 years old too, and it still goes down the road nice and tight. Dries out very nice. There you have it. Go ahead and lower the hood here. 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SL. Both tops, blue soft top, and also the hard top. And again, check out those still pictures. You like to see the top, interior, undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. And once again, that phone number is 507-386-1726.